which DJI Terra version is right for you. Explore the main chart options in just 2 minutes. DJI Terra licenses are structured along 2 dimensions. By feature level, there are standard and flagship versions. By authorization mode, there are online and offline options. Standard and the flagship versions are available in either mode or as an online-only yearly subscription. First, by feature level, choose based on your project needs. The standard version supports visible light 2D mapping, 3D mesh reconstruction, multispectral radiometric correction, LiDAR point cloud reconstruction, and other features. It's a good fit for routine surveying tasks. The flagship version includes everything in standard, plus Gaussian spotting, power line reconstruction, detailed inspection, and other core capabilities. Ideal for cultural heritage digitization and power grid inspections. In short, choose standard for solid value and flagship for advanced features like Gaussian splatting. Next, by authorization mode, choose based on your working environment. The main functions are the same. The key difference is the operating environment. The online version requires an internet connection for verification. It supports external map overlays. The offline version works without internet and is bound to a single PC. It's best for mountainous areas, fieldwork, or high-security projects. The yearly subscription lets you pay based on usage duration, rather than purchasing the software outright. It is a more affordable and flexible alternative, which currently supports online authorization only. Finally, here's a key feature comparison table. Both standard and flagship support cluster computation. No upgrade or maintenance fees are required for cluster updates. Now you can quickly pick the right version.